Hi everyone, welcome to my third drawing tutorial where you will learn to draw a bird. In particular, I'll be drawing a cockatoo and you can find the reference photo in the description. To start off with, I begin creating an outline with a HB pencil, but you can use a lighter pencil if you like. This is so that erasing unwanted lines is easier. As you can see, I'm drawing the shape of the bird and then moving to outlines of smaller details such as the beak and the eye. Here I'm finalising the outline with an electric eraser, but you can use an eraser or a rubber. Once you're happy with the outline you have, it's time to begin shading and adding smaller detail. Use a HB or B pencil and lightly shade the first layer. Observe where shadows are on the reference image and begin shading these areas lightly and in the direction that the feathers are going. You can also blend these areas lightly. If you don't have a blending stump or brush, you can also use a tissue. Here I'm shading in the beak with a darker pencil and leaving a lighter area on the left, as there is a light source coming from the left on the reference image and reflecting from this side of the beak. I also lightly blend this. I then add darker details to the head and blend these to create some contrast. I also use an electric eraser to remove darker outlines from the left side of the head. Then you can draw the eye, which I should have done with a darker pencil to begin with. But you can also add some highlights and reflections to the eye. Here I add some darker shadows to the beak. I'm also using a darker pencil around the face, such as with the feathers under the eye, to create a second layer to emphasize detail by using pencil strokes in the direction of the feathers. And again, you can lightly blend these as well. I have done the face first and then moved on to the rest of the body, but you can do each layer for the whole body at once if you would like. So now I'm moving on by adding feathers with a lighter pencil, which in this case can be drawn as layers of semicircles with lines that are not overlapping. Then to add some more detail, you can shade the right half of each feather in the direction of the feather with a lighter pencil. To assist you with this, you can draw a line down the center of each feather and shade to the right of this line. The feathers towards the right of the bird don't reflect as much light and don't require as much contrast as the feathers in the middle, and these can be shaded. All feathers can be blended lightly as seen in the direction of the feathers. I'm then lightly blending the feathers in the direction that they go. Also, notice that the feathers towards the left have a shadow that doesn't reach the center of the feather because more light is being reflected. Then I use a darker pencil to create some more value where it's needed, and I'm blending these areas. I also continue this process for the larger feathers towards the bottom of the bird. For more detail, you can also use an electric eraser to create some thin highlights just before the lighter side of the feathers. I then draw the foot and the rail the bird is sitting on, making sure to leave a shadow underneath the bird. I'm just shading the rail and trying to match the general tones from the reference image. This doesn't have to be perfect or too detailed, as it is not the focus of the drawing. I then go around and start adding the finishing touches until I get an outcome that I'm happy with. And once you're happy with what you've done, you're finished, so congratulations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.